Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss that has been buzzing in the beauty community lately, the ice facial. Have you ever wondered how a simple ice cube can transform your skin? Well, we're about to find out. So what exactly is an ice facial? It's a skincare technique that involves using ice cubes or ice-cold water to massage your face. It's a simple and refreshing way to improve your skin's appearance and overall health. Let's dive into the benefits. Benefits of ice facial 1. Reduces puffiness. One of the primary benefits of an ice facial is its ability to reduce puffiness. When the cold temperature of the ice constricts blood vessels, it can help reduce swelling and inflammation, especially in the morning or after a long day. 2. Shrinks pores. Ice facials also work wonders for minimizing the appearance of pores. The cold temperature tightens the skin, causing the pores to contract temporarily. This gives your face a smoother and more refined look. 3. Enhances blood circulation. By gently massaging your face with ice, you stimulate blood flow to the skin. This increased circulation brings more oxygen and nutrients to the surface, resulting in a healthier complexion and a natural glow. 4. Calms inflammation and redness. If you're dealing with redness or irritation, an ice facial can provide relief. The cold temperature soothes the skin, reducing redness and calming any inflammation. It's especially helpful for those with acne or sensitive skin. 5. Gives a brightening effect. An ice facial can help give your skin a rejuvenated and brighter appearance. The cold temperature stimulates the production of collagen, which can improve the elasticity and firmness of your skin over time. Now that we know the benefits, let's move on to how to do an ice facial at home. Step 1. Cleanse your face thoroughly to remove any dirt or makeup. This ensures that the ice can work directly on your skin. Step 2. Wrap an ice cube in a soft cloth or use ice-cold water in a bowl. This prevents direct contact of ice with your skin, which can be too harsh. Step 3. Gently massage the ice cube or cold water all over your face using circular motions. Be sure to avoid the delicate eye area. Step 4. Continue massaging for about 5-10 minutes or until you feel your skin becoming slightly numb. Step 5. Rinse your face with lukewarm water and pat it dry with a clean towel. Step 6. Follow up with your regular skincare routine, like applying a moisturizer or serum, to lock in the benefits of the ice facial. And there you have it, an ice facial in the comfort of your own home. Remember, it's best to do this routine 2-3 times a week for optimal results. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and tricks. See you next time.